start by opening my view list, and I'll be using the AR customer analysis view to show you this functionality. I'm going to start by applying a filter to this view so I can do a 5-year analysis. I'm going to apply the filter for years 2009 to 2013. Just so you're somewhat familiar with the data that we're looking at, we're looking at summarized customer sales and cost of sales for each year and period for each customer that falls within the criteria that I entered. The second piece of functionality I'd like to show you is the ability to remove or hide columns that you do not want to see. For example, if, as we're looking at this view, if I don't want to see the number of invoices in this particular view, I can just simply remove it by just clicking on it with my left click, dragging it off, and it's now disappeared. If I later want to restore that column to be able to see that data, I simply right click on any column header. That'll open up a context menu, and the one option in there is a column chooser. I do a left click. I now see all my columns that are hidden if there are any. In this case, we know that we've just hid invoice number, and I can restore it again by simply dragging it to the view. At any time, you can drag these columns to a new position, and when you close the view and reopen, they should be in the position that they were when you left the view. For example, let me show you this in my demonstration. Here you can see as I came back in, applied my filter, you can see my sales rep column was at the second position, exactly where I had left it before I closed the view. Okay, the third thing I want to show you is just the ability to sort columns or sort the data in columns. In the column header, you see the little sort icon, which tells you that the data is sorted by that column, and if you click it once, it'll sort in ascending order. If you click it again, it'll sort descending. Watch closely. So now it should be descending. So if we go to the top of the view, we have our 2012 data at the top. If I come down here to where I was prior, click it again, 2009 is now at the top. If you want to sort by multiple columns, you do a shift click on your first column, continue to hold shift and click your second column. You can do multiple column sorts or single column sorts any way you like. You may want to sort by year and sales rep ID. So we're going to sort by year, sales rep. So now we have year, sales rep. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you is the ability just to expand or the width of your columns. Just like Microsoft Excel, you can adjust your column width to whatever looks good. If you simply double click the edge, it will automatically adjust it to fit the widest piece of information that resides in that column.